Hi, my name is Miguel Flanders and welcome to my presentation entitled Preparing for Tomorrow's Challenges. This presentation consists of an overview of two resources of my choice, the Nearpod and the 360 Cities, which is based on the ISTE Standard 2 resources for bringing augmented reality and virtual reality to the classroom. This presentation consists of the following contents: an overview of Nearpod, advantages and challenges for integration of Nearpod within the pre-K to grade 12 learning environments, an overview of 360 Cities, advantages and challenges for integration of 360 Cities within the pre-K to grade 12 learning environments, my conclusion, and my bibliography. What is Nearpod? Nearpod is an award-winning platform that easily allows teachers of pre-K to grade 12 to create, download, and teach interactive lessons across all devices. With Nearpod, teachers can take their students all over the world by making virtual and augmented reality, VR and AR, in today's 21st century classrooms. Some advantages of the integration of Nearpod is that Nearpod has a high level of student engagement. Using Nearpod means that learning is no longer confined to the traditional classroom setting, nor that the teacher is the only person providing instruction. Students are engaged and empowered in their learning. Other advantages include Nearpod is easy to use. At its most simplest, you can use Nearpod as a substitute for presentation tools. Instead of running PowerPoint or Keynote, you could utilize this app instead. The presentations will be beamed to each device in the classroom. This instantly makes it a far more superior presentation tool. You can even drag and drop presentation slides into the app for it to instantly create a Nearpod presentation. Nearpod is available for all device types. Nearpod was designed to work on any platform and any device, so no matter which device you and your students are using, you can add Nearpod to your list of not-to-be-missed apps. Some more advantages for the integration of Nearpod is that Nearpod is an excellent tool for formative assessment. Nearpod has a rich student engagement formative assessment option, such as quizzes. You can eliminate the headache of grading every formative assessment you give. Nearpod's multiple choice option grades students' responses so you can assess students' individual or whole class data instantly. Some challenges for the integration of Nearpod within the pre-K to grade 12 learning environment includes Nearpod is not really free. Some services are available only with paid upgrade. The integrated web content is the thing I find most lacking in the free version. The coolness factor can wear off after a few exposures to the tech. For example, fast learners can get bored fast. Other challenges include if you have a slow internet or wireless connection in your building, you could spend time waiting for slides to download, and creating and modifying presentations can be time-consuming and can get expensive. 360 Cities. What is 360 Cities? 360 Cities is the web's largest and most breathtaking virtual visit of Earth, showing thousands of panoramas made by hundreds of photographers. 360 City photos are interactive, spherical, panoramic, which you can explore yourself. It's an incredibly useful and fun way to see the world in and out of the classroom. Some advantages for the integration of 360 Cities include 360 Cities has unlimited access. Where do you want your students to go? Just type in Rome, Tokyo, or London and tour any place in the world with a 360-degree view. 360 Cities has unlimited uploads. You can upload as many panoramas as you want. 360 Cities will host them and display them. Other advantages include 360 Cities can be viewed on any platform, with platforms like YouTube and Facebook now offering 360 video streaming. You can easily get your eyes on your project. 360 Cities has no tech hassles. Your panorama remains yours, but will be safely stored on our server. 360 Cities doesn't need any technical maintenance from you. No panorama player or redesign, and will be shown year after year. Some challenges for the integration of 360 Cities include 360 Cities can be expensive because they require 360-degree set dressing, and a labor-intensive dressing or editing process, for stitching specifically, which includes professional 360 videos, which can be expensive to produce. Other challenges include students don't have equal access to technological resources. Some students can't afford iPads or even the textbooks required for class. For these students, teachers may have to point them in the direction of libraries or community resources, or create assignments that will allow them to work in groups and share resources. In conclusion, despite the minor challenges in today's 21st century classrooms, both near-power and 360 cities are affordable, easy-to-use tools in making virtual and augmented reality, VR and AR, the hottest thing in EdTech. The benefits include increased engagement and shared experience among the students. Teachers can take advantage of many of the VR apps using the individual laptops, iPad, or electronic whiteboards both in and out of the classroom. There are tools for classroom teachers for any subject. It gives professional educators another avenue to explore with learners. It can be an effective new way to engage those that struggle, or it can just provide another opportunity to engage with a variety of learning styles. Here is a list of the resources that I used to compile this presentation. I thank you.